Bye, bro. Bye, champ. See you, champ. Oh, no.
Look! Someone called 911. Man, I'm gonna be late.
You earned this, Oscar.
Thank you, ma'am. My big brother's gonna be so proud of me. We're going out today. It's gonna be the best day ever. Oh, no. Brother! Brother, say something. Please, brother, you're all I have. Help! My brother needs help.
Can't you see I'm busy? Go call someone else. We can't help without payment. Go home.
Oh no, he's not moving. Hurry, please. He needs proper treatment. Brother, what happened to you? I'm sorry I brought him here as fast as I could. He's not waking up. Only God can help him now.
Please, if you're watching this, share the video and send prayers for my brother. He needs your strength.